Welcome to the series Master EComposer Elements. Today's video will show you in detail how to add Shopify line item properties to product page. The product properties element lets you easily add customizable options to your products, offering more flexibility than traditional variable products. Instead of managing thousands of variations, you can allow customers to personalize items using text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-downs, and more. Okay, let's start creating Shopify product custom options using EComposer product property element right now. First, go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open EComposer Page Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, you can find the link to EComposer on Shopify App Store in this video description. Product properties is commonly used in product pages, so that I will select my existing product page here. If you don't have a product page yet, create one by clicking the Start Building button here. I have also shown how to create a product page in another video. Click here to watch the details. Welcome to EComposer Editor. Now, locate where you want to place the product properties element, then drag and drop it. Okay, this is the display of the product properties element when added to the EComposer editor. Now, we will customize product properties element. In the Content tab, you will see three main parts: fields, column gap, and row gap. The product properties element provides a total of 9 custom product fields, include text field, color field, long field, checkbox field, radio field, select drop-down field, email field, datetime local field, and file field, all of which help you showcase a wider variety of products and options. For each field, EComposer allows you to set field label, field placeholder, field name, field description, required field, show at checkout, and field width. In particular, with the file field, you can set specific file types for customers when they import files. EComposer does not limit the number of fields you can add to your product properties. When you want to add a field, simply click the Add Items button here and select the fields you want to add. You can also duplicate fields by clicking this button, or click the button next to delete the field you want to delete. Column gap and wrap gap are quick settings that allow you to edit the spacing of product attributes easily by dragging the bars or entering the exact spacing you want here. Okay, now let's move on to the Design tab. First is General. This option may allow you to change some of the basic effects such as background color, box shadow, border, and the last one must go with border radius. It helps you edit product properties element in general, helping this element to be displayed in a balanced and pleasing way. The remaining parts include label, description, input, file, select, input color, checkbox, radio, input file. These are design settings for each field's components that make it easy to design line item properties that match your products. You have a lot of editing options such as alignment, font style, text color, text shadow, spacing, and even some special effects when you hover over. For example, when you want to change the font, color, size, etc. of the contents displayed in the fields, select Description. As you can see, the editing options are clearly divided to help you manipulate. Or, if you want to redesign the File Upload field button, select File option. Here you can change the displayed font, color, and anything related to this button. I have completed my product properties. How do you feel? To finish editing, I need to select Save and publish this page. Alright, I have successfully added a product properties element to my product page. Let's check it out. That is the end of today's video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button for our channel. If you don't have a Shopify account, feel free to click on the link we attached in the description below. The newest Shopify exclusive deal is waiting for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. See you next time.